Good morning, friends. You all know we have visited OLA Future Factory last week. We have reached the hotel at Bangalore, and tomorrow morning we are going to visit a OLA Future Factory. So tomorrow morning we will reach at OLA campus, and from there we will visit the Future Factory. As it is a future factory, a lot of things are happening over there. Let's see how our scooters are made, what technology they are using, and in videos we have seen they have moving robots and all those things. So tomorrow it's going to be exciting thing, and probably we are meeting some key persons at Ola. They have innovated these kind of scooters and they are pioneering the technology. So really excited for tomorrow. So here I want to talk some observations I have made over there. So we were there to celebrate a 4 lakh scooters. Ola has successfully completed manufacturing of 4 lakh scooters. So we were invited at the Future Factory, and we got opportunity to see how our scooters are made. So you all know how the scooter is made, that they have an assembly line and they assemble the battery cells into the battery pack, and they assemble motor and everything. So as you know all those things, I want to share my observations. So when we entered at the Future Factory, there was a place where they set up the event, and the display and stage was set up.
Then we start with the factory tour in next 15 minutes.
Do you want? No.
So here we are celebrating a 4 lakh scooters. So today we will be rolling out a 4 lakh scooter from this factory. I have seen the happy faces of the workers, that they are enjoying the work. The environment was energetic, you can feel the aura and the women power, and so it was really quite an experience to see those people working together and making such a beautiful product. The complete scooter is made in India, so it is. I was feeling really proud to see those Indian products are getting assembled, and the chassis are getting welded and the body parts are made in-house. They also have excellent paint plant where all the parts are getting painted, and they have a huge range of colors, like 10 or 15 colors are available. So they are providing customer a good choice of colors. So that is what a customer wants, a customized uh, specific color that represents their personality. So for young people, they have neon color and um, blue color and purple, yellow. So the college guys can flaunt around, and for professionals, they have midnight blue, black, and glossy black. Those are amazing colors. So I am really confident about Ola after visiting the factory, that they are making such a beautiful product, and the factory is a amazing artwork. Everything works together really well. And one more thing, they also have huge space to establish new things, like as I said, for bike assembly, or as they have launched their artificial intelligence Crew 3. They I have suggested that they can also make a dynamic robots over there. In near future, we probably will see that. So that was my thoughts for Future Factory, and I am really fortunate to be there for a day. Thank you very much, and share this video who is willing to buy Ola scooter or want to know more about how Ola is making the products. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe to my channel for such videos in future. I will keep you updated with the new things happening around the technology. Thank you.